Hello guys, I just want to share you regarding for the 9 leads out for our 3-phase motor. This is English demonstration guys. Because many foreign people, they want to speak me in English. That's why I try my best to speak in English to demonstrate this in English. This is 9 leads out 3-phase motor. The question is, what is the connection of 9 leads out for 3-phase motor? English, I put English. This is now the connection of 3-phase motor. If you are going to see the schematic diagram of Y, we are using 440 volts in the industry in the Philippines. This is now the Y connection. Then how can we determine the 9 leads out? If we are going to count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 leads out. This is useful for motor rewinding. The 9 leads out, if you're going to see the nameplates of the motor, if the connection is Y, you're going to reduce the voltage in order to connect the 9 leads out. This is now the result of the schematic diagram of 220 volts. If the person, they make motor rewind, they knows already about this schematic diagram. I just want only to share to anyone, especially the beginners. If you are going to reduce the voltage, it's connected together 1 and 7 for line 1 and then 10 and 4 for the ending cable. 12, 6, and then 9 and 3 for line 3, and then line 2, 8 and 2, 11 and 5. Just like that, if you're going to see the schematic diagram, what is the connection of 9 leads out? If somebody asking, what is the connection of 9 leads out? If the motor is Y connection, that is considered automatic become reduce the voltage to 20 volts. Here's also the another schematic diagram if you can see. This is another schematic diagram of double Y. This is double Y, this is series Y, single Y. Single Y is for 40 volts, double Y is to 20 volts. If the motor also, the nameplates of the motor is delta, what is the 9 leads out of delta connection? The same also, it's reduce the voltage for double delta to 20 volts. This is for 40 volts, series delta, single delta, this one is double delta. If you are going to see the schematic diagram, this is also the schematic diagram of double delta to 20 volts. If 9 leads out considered double delta, how can we identify the 9 leads out of delta connection? This is if you're going to counting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 leads out in this motor. So consider you are going to make double delta in order to run the motor for 9 leads out. The connection is double delta. Here's another diagram of double delta. This is now about the delta schematic diagram for 440 volts. If you're going to make 9 leads out connection, become double delta. Hope this can give the little knowledge to the beginners. Hope this video can help to the beginners. Thank you guys. Until next time.